Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Upwork Android app error code 1000. The error reads, "Failed to download this file." As per our research, the error comes when users try to download image attachments in a conversation on the Upwork Android app. According to our research, this issue may come because of a temporary glitch in the app, an outdated version, or corrupted cache files. To deal with the issue first, restart your device and then try downloading the image again. If the error still comes, check if the Upwork app is updated to the latest version. If not, update it and check for the error again. If you still have the error, try clearing the Upwork app cache data and check for the error again. If none of these steps work, then try using the Upwork web version from your browser and check if the file can be downloaded from there. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.